Donner Electric Drum Amp 35W Electronic Drum Amplifier DDA 35 Keyboard Speaker with AUX-in and wireless audio connection. Drum/keyboard/mic 3-in-1 amplifier with 3-band EQ and DI out. COOLMUSIC DK35S50W Bluetooth Electric Drum Amplifier Keyboard Speaker with USB input record function. Drum/keyboard/mic 3-in-1 amplifier with reverb effect and DI out. Coaxial speaker 50W multifunction amplifier with 10-inch woofer and 1.5-inch tweeter. 2-input and Canon microphone input to 1/4 instrument input, 3-band EQ, tone and gain control. Canon microphone input with reverb control. Bluetooth, USB and record functions, built-in Bluetooth and MP3 functions. It can connect it with your phone or PC to play background music. And add 1-key record knob, you can record what you played, then play with it. FLAMMA FA05 Guitar Amp Electric Guitar Amplifier Digital Combo Amp Bluetooth Mini Portable with 7 preamp models 40 drum machine AUX-in support MP3 format 5W. 7 preamp types, Clean 1, Clean 2, Overdrive 1, Overdrive 2, Crunch, Lead, Rhythm based on popular guitar amplifiers. Built-in modulation, delay and reverb, and chorus effects with independent tap tempo controls. Bluetooth connection and stereo headphone output. 40 types of drum machine, precision tuner. Support both DC 9V power supply and AA battery *6, not included. 1-year guarantee. Donner 10W Guitar Amplifier, Electric Bass Guitar Amp Protable with App Effector Input for recording acoustic guitar combo practice amp Protable M10 with distortion tone for heavy music player. Unique App Effector Input. The M10 has a 1/8 TRRS guitar interface, can be used to connect a mobile phone to use software effects for practice, playing and recording. Just build your effector chain on the effector software, connect the amplifier to use your favorite kind of timbre. Tone tailored for heavy music players. 10W electric guitar amplifier, through intuitive control to provide extreme distortion sound. Positive Grid Spark Guitar Amplifier and Traveler Bag Bundle. Spark learns your style and feel, then generates authentic bass and drums to accompany you. Access over 10,000 killer guitar, bass, amp and effect presents, so you can play pristine melodies, crunchy chords and soaring leads. Choose any songs and Spark Smart app will automatically display the guitar chords in real time. Connect Spark and easily record your ideas on the computer. Travel anywhere with the Spark custom-made carrying bag.